Hello, my English learners. Remember our last time traveling adventure? We mastered past tense. We learned where we've been. But now the question is, where are we going? That means future tense. Ever wondered, should I say I will go or I am going to go? Or maybe you're confused. What's the difference between I'll be working and I'll have worked? Don't worry, your English fairy is here. By the end of this video, you'll predict the future like a fortune teller. And trust me, this journey is going to be extremely exciting because we are about to unlock what hasn't even happened yet. मतलब हम वो समझने वाले हैं जो अभी तक हुआ भी नहीं है. All right, let me open the crystal ball of English grammar. What does future tense mean? Simple. That hasn't happened yet. What is going to happen, what will happen in the coming time is actually all about future tense. I call this as your English GPS. It tells you where you are heading. So look at these examples which I'm going to put forward here. I'll visit my grandmother tomorrow. Hasn't happened yet, but it will happen tomorrow. You are going to love this lesson. I'm confident. So you will love it? That means the lesson is still pending. I'm about to teach it to you. The sun will rise at 6 a.m. It happens every day. It will happen in the future too. So understand, future tense is equal to that window which shows you everything that hasn't happened yet but will happen in near future. Now let me introduce you to the 4 fortune tellers. Each one predicts a different kind of future. Once you meet them, you'll know exactly when to use which one. Fortune teller 1, future simple. The first fortune teller is future simple with will. Its superpower is predictions, promises, spontaneous decisions, what you just decided right now. The formula that you're going to follow here is subject plus will plus base form of verb, यानी कि सबसे पहली form verb की. So let me give you a few examples. I will call you later. It's a promise. It will rain tomorrow. Prediction. Don't worry, I'll help you. Spontaneous decision. I just decided now. So the magic words which I'm using here with will are tomorrow, next week, next year, soon, later, in the future, probably, maybe. Important with will, always with will, you have to use the base form of verb. Will go, will eat, will study, and never will going or will went. Here comes the fortune teller 2, going to the future. Now look at going to future. Its superpower is it will describe plans which you have already made and clear evidence that shows something is going to happen in future. So the formula here is subject plus am or is or are plus going to plus base form of verb. My examples here for you are I'm going to visit Delhi next month. So I have already made the plan. Ticket is booked. Look at those clouds. It's going to rain. Evidence is visible. They are going to start a new business. Plan is ready. Magic words which you can use here are next month, tonight, this weekend, tomorrow. Now here let's understand the difference. Will equal to spontaneous or uncertain. Going to planned or having clear evidence already. So here's a quick recap. Will is equal to sudden decisions, promises, predictions. Going to is equal to planned actions, obvious future events. Now the next 2 tenses are a bit more advanced, but don't worry, I'll make them super easy for you. Fortune teller 3, future continuous. Now comes future continuous. This one is a bit special and its superpower is what will be happening in the future, like a future movie scene that will be in progress. Formula to be used here is will be plus verb including ing. Look how it works. I'll be teaching you at 5 p.m. tomorrow at 5 o'clock. I'll be teaching in progress. This time next week, I'll be relaxing on a beach. Next week, at this time, relaxing mode. They will be traveling to Paris this time tomorrow. Tomorrow at this time, they'll be traveling. So magic words which we are using here are at this time tomorrow at 5 p.m., this time next week, while, when. So you have an open trick to understand it. Think of it as what will be happening at a specific moment in the future. Now, fortune teller 4. Future perfect. The last fortune teller is future perfect. Its superpower is something will be complete by a specific time in the future. Formula that you'll be using here is subject plus will have plus past participle form of verb. Look at my examples here. I will have finished this course by next month. That means by next month it will be complete. By 2030, she will have graduated from college. So that means by 2030, she will have graduated. They will have left by the time you arrive. So by the time you arrive, they will have already left. So magic words which you can use here are by the time, by next week, by 2025, until, before. Remember, this tells you what will be complete by a certain point of time in the future. Now, future perfect continuous. Wait, there's a secret. Fifth one, future perfect continuous. The longest name. Its superpower is how long something will have been happening by a certain point in the future. Formula, subject plus will have plus been plus verb including ing. Look here now. So by next year, I'll have been teaching here for 10 years. That means by next year, मतलब अगले साल तक मैं यहाँ 10 साल के लिए already पढ़ा चुकी होगी. By 8 p.m. he will have been working for 12 hours. मतलब आज 8 बजे तक में वो already 12 घंटे काम कर चुका होगा. In December, we will have been living here for 5 years. मतलब इस दिसंबर तक यहाँ पे हम 5 साल के लिए रह लिए होंगे. Magic words which you're going to use here are for, by the time, by next year. Now let's play fortune teller detective together and I'll show you how these tenses predict real future. Now here comes the story example, the big exam. Tomorrow is Ravi's examination. Let's predict his day. He will wake up early tomorrow. Simple future. It will happen. He is going to revise all his notes. There's a plan. At 10 a.m., he will be sitting in the examination hall. Future continuous. That is, at 10 o'clock, he'll be sitting in the exam hall. By 12 p.m., he will have finished his paper. Future perfect. That means by 12 o'clock, he will have completed it. By then, he will have been studying for this examination for 3 months. Future perfect continuous. That means he will have been studying for 3 months. See? All the 3 tenses fit into one future story. So here is another story example where I'm going to tell you about my weekend plans. I will relax this weekend. Future, simple. General plan. So I used will. I'm going to binge watch my favorite series. So Netflix queue is ready. Tomorrow at 3 p.m., I will be eating popcorn on my couch. Future, continuous. Exactly what I'll be doing at 3 p.m. By Sunday night, I will have watched all these 10 episodes. Future, perfect. That means I'm saying by Sunday, everything will be finished. By then, I will have been binge watching for 8 hours straight. Future perfect continuous. 8 hours marathon. So my quick tip for all of you here is think of the future tense like zoom levels. Simple is looking from far away. Continuous is a specific moment. Perfect is the completion point. And perfect continuous is the duration journey. So be prepared. Now it's time to test your future predicting powers. Round number 1. Identify the tense here. I'll give you some couple of sentences and you have to tell me the tense there. I will visit London next summer. Will, simple future. General plan. She is going to study abroad. Going to? Plan is made. Do let me know the answer in the comment box. This one is for you. Tomorrow at 5, I will be working. Future continuous. By 2025, they will have graduated. Future perfect. Complete by 2025. Think fast. Round 2, will versus going to. Now, this is where everyone gets confused. Let me clear it up. Situation 1. The phone rings. So I'm going to answer it. No, I will answer it. Spontaneous decision. You just decided that you will answer it. Situation 2. You planned a trip and then you say, I will visit Mumbai next month. No, I'm going to visit Mumbai next month. Plan is already ready. It already exists. Situation 3. There are dark clouds out there. It will rain. No, it's going to rain. Evidence is visible. So my rule, if you can see it coming or you thought about it before, use going to. Sudden thoughts, promises, then you can go for using will. Round 3, complete the future. Fill in the blanks. Use the right tense here. This time tomorrow, I dash fly to Paris. I will be flying, right? Second one. Look at that car. It dash crash. Is going to crash. Evidence is already there. By next year, I dash learn English. I will have learned English by next year. So do let me know in the comments if you are able to understand what all I have told you here. I want to see who becomes the future master. Now here goes the timeline trick. Now, simple future. Going to future continuous, future perfect, completion. Future perfect continuous highlights the duration. The more detailed you want to be, the more advanced the tense becomes. So congratulations, you have just unlocked the future here. You have mastered all the future tense fortune tellers. And if this grammar time machine I built has helped you somewhere, I want you to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, that is English Fairy Official. Remember, we conquered present tense, we time traveled through past tense, and now we have predicted the future also. But wait, our journey isn't over yet. In my next video, I'm revealing something even more mind-blowing, where we are going to mix all the tenses together. Yeah, I'll show you how to travel between past, present, and future in one sentence. Trust me, don't miss this video. It's going to be epic. So before you go, I have a challenge for you. Write your future story using all 4 main future tenses in the comments. Make it about your dreams, your goals, and your plans. You can mix Hindi and English both. I'll enjoy reading it. Example, tomorrow I will wake up early, future simple. I'm going to exercise, going to. At 7 a.m., I'll be jogging, future continuous. By 8 a.m., I will have finished my workout, future perfect. So until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, English is your superpower. So this is your English Fairy, and I'm signing off. One last thing, you watch this video, past simple, you're watching it right now, present continuous, and you will remember this forever, future simple. Because you're going to become a future tense master finally. See you in the next adventure.